going on, guys? I'm Reese Bowers. Welcome to Built from the Bottom. What's going on, guys? I'm Reese Bowers, and this week I won 2 motorcycles at a Copart auction, so let's go pick them up. These parking garages out here do not mess around. We got Bentley Continental GT here, brand new M4. That's like my favorite color M4, the lead gray. You come over here, you got like a Harley Davidson Sportster 1200, an Aventador. Everybody runs temp tags out here. I really don't understand why. Then you go over there, there's a Ferrari 488, i8, and what's this, Raptor Ghibli. But we're about to head on this flight down to LAX. Peace out. Whoa, that's not a Florida thing, dude. I just checked in, check this out. This place is a ghost town right now. There's absolutely nobody in the whole airport, and this is LAX. So I'm here at my layover. There's like absolutely nobody in the airport. It's 5 o'clock now. This is gonna be a really long day for me. It's actually only like I lost like 3 hours of time right here from the time zones. But we're heading to Atlanta next, and I'm hyped. I'm here in the Lowe's parking lot, and I just got my rental. I got an F-150. I don't know, it's like a gray, brand new F-150, a little 2-wheel drive, short bed. Hopefully I can fit the bikes in the back of this, because this bed does look really short. I don't think anything's really ever been inside the back of this before, so we're gonna really break her in. But what I'm doing is I'm gonna head there into Lowe's and grab some ratchet straps, and then I'm gonna go to the auction place and go pick up my bikes. I got ratchet straps, and I got myself a monster because I'm gonna be needing it today. It's already been a long day for me, and I haven't even started. So yeah, this is why I like Harbor Freight. I ended up buying all this BS ratchet stuff right here. This is all they had. And this is the cheapest one they had. It's $30 for 4 ratchets. Like, I don't need all this. It's like a fancy thing that you can crank your ratchet straps down on. I don't know. Waste of money. But that's all they have here, and there's no Harbor Freight, so.
Yeah, those go like hotcakes.
What, the BMWs, or? Yeah, I feel like I don't think I got too good of a deal on the CBR, because I paid, the sell price was ended up being like 27 on it.
Yeah.
But it needs a lot of stuff. But the BMW, like I got this at what, 31, just with the engine and then like the swing arm and everything on it. It's worth a decent amount of money. And this one at least got the gauge cluster, so it's not gonna be too hard to.
Yeah, it's just broken. I think it doesn't even have a kickstand.
It doesn't even. Oh man, I did not even see the wheel. That wheel's sauced. Damn. Guys, I got this bikes loaded up here in the back, The CBR doesn't look too bad. It really looks like it'll be easy. The rims are good on it, and it's really only front end damage with you know, some controls and whatnot. They're gonna need to be fixed. Need to get an exhaust for it. But the BMW S1000RR is definitely a lot more beat up, and the rim in the front is kind of destroyed. But we'll figure all this out, what to do with it, and yeah, I'm about to get back on the road. The pit stop's gonna be, we got Chick-fil-A. The line is long, but yeah, this is gonna be my only really stop here. What's going on, guys? We just got back here at the shop and I got the bikes inside of there. So come inside and I'll tell you a little bit more about these bikes. As always, the Ducati is right here. It's gonna get a little bit different things going on with it. I already talked about that in the other video, but I did put the bikes here on the stands. And so I did need to tell you guys what bikes these are first. So this bike right here, this is a 2013 CBR 600RR. And then over here, this bike is rough, guys. Like, I don't even know where I'm gonna start with buying parts-wise on this bike. But this is a 2013 BMW S1000RR. And man, this thing needs some work to it. I'm just gonna kind of go over real quick about what I ordered for this bike, because this is gonna be the first bike I'm rebuilding. Then I will be doing this BMW bike. So this bike, I already ordered the new fairings for it. I have them over here in this box. Shout out to NC Fairings, that's where I get all my fairings from. These came really quick. So right here, do a little quick, that's the style we're gonna be doing it of. I can't show too much of that until next video. So I did already order all the parts I need for this bike, so it will be getting built really quick, guys. So I'll go over real quick everything that I ordered for it. Over there, we got the fairings for it. We're gonna go back to a completely OEM style on it, nothing aftermarket. This bike, I'm gonna build a little bit more aftermarket. But what I ordered on this bike, first off, is missing the whole gauge cluster here in the front. And then I started ordering stuff from the front back. Right here is where the tip over sensor used to hook up to, so I ordered a new tip over sensor. This whole front bracket, which is 2 pieces. Then we go over here, these foot pegs are completely destroyed. I'm going back to a stock set of foot pegs on it. As you can see, we only have one handlebar, and this one probably is bent. So I ordered 2 brand new handlebars for it because the other one is sitting down here completely snapped off. This bike took a hit. And then keys, the guy didn't leave the keys in for it. Even though all the locks and stuff are like sitting there, I have to order a whole new set and redo completely all of that. And then you know, levers, these levers, they could be still used, but I want this bike to look completely perfect when it's done, because this one got some scratches on it, and same with this one, it's not perfect. Then we got the rectifier over here. As you can see, the rectifier itself, the main motherboard panel didn't break, but all these cooling panels did break, so ordered a whole new rectifier for it. And then we got brand new throttle cables, because these throttle cables are destroyed, and the tube in this piece right here that holds it. And last thing I ordered so far was the clip-on for this, because this is destroyed. The wheels on this bike and tires are both in good condition, so we will be keeping that. The forks are straight, the subframe's straight. This bike itself does not need nearly as much as that BMW does, but what I'm gonna be doing seat-wise, I got Caroline over there, a couple units over, that is doing the seats for my bobber right now. She's doing it red with white diamond stitching. So what I'm gonna probably do in these is either go completely back stock or do a white seat with a red seam around it and then red diamond stitching, because this bike is gonna be red. And the one thing I didn't order so far was an exhaust for it, because this person took off their exhaust before they turned it in. So, you know, we just got a pipe right here, so I don't know exactly what I'm gonna go with. But that's all it for this bike. I have not picked exactly what I want to do to it yet, so I'm gonna give you guys 2 bike color combinations that I do like and I kind of want to do for this. So right up there, that's the light gray, and then over here, we got a black with a gold on it, which kind of looks like that Jigster, so I'm leaning towards the light gray. If you guys want to follow these builds and you're not already subscribed, I will be pumping these builds out really quick, so go down there and hit that subscribe button. But if you are already subscribed, please go hit that like button. It really does mean a lot. That's it for this week. Peace out. Don't think I forgot about my bobber build right here. I've been really busy, as you can see from this video, and by the time you guys are watching this video, in like 4 days after this video is uploaded, I will be getting out part 4 of this bike build, because I have all the parts. Some of them are sitting there, and I got some still inside of my truck. So this is what I'll be building next.
like the cool blue light.